We all know the feeling. You've got something important to do. A project, a workout, a phone call, and somehow you just can't start. You tell yourself, I'll do it later, but deep down, you know that later might never come. This is procrastination, and it's not laziness. It's something deeper, something real, something millions of people battle every single day. But here's the truth. You can beat it. You just need to understand why you procrastinate and how to break the cycle. Today, we're going to uncover how to stop procrastinating for good. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding the root cause. Procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about avoidance. Avoiding discomfort, avoiding failure, avoiding the fear of not being good enough. Think about it. Why do we put off writing that report? Why do we delay going to the gym? Why do we push back making tough decisions? Because doing those things triggers anxiety. Because deep down, we think, what if I mess this up? What if I'm not ready? What if it's not perfect? So instead, we scroll, we binge, we sleep, we do anything but the thing that matters. But here's the key insight. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding the emotions attached to it. And once you realize that, you take back your power. So here's what you do. Next time you feel like procrastinating, ask yourself, what am I really avoiding right now? Is it fear? Is it boredom? Is it the pressure to be perfect? Name the emotion. Put a spotlight on it. Because when you shine a light on fear, it loses its power. Step 2. Break it down. One of the biggest reasons we procrastinate? Overwhelm. The task feels so big, so far away, so unmanageable that we freeze. It's like standing at the bottom of a mountain and thinking, there's no way I'm climbing that today. But here's the trick. Don't focus on the mountain. Focus on the next step. Want to write a book? Just write one paragraph. Need to clean your house? Just clean one corner. Have a business idea? Just make one call. Success isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing something right now. Progress beats perfection every time. Try the 5-minute rule. If a task takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. If it's bigger, start with just 5 minutes of effort. Chances are, once you start, you'll keep going. Because action breeds motivation, not the other way around. Step 3. Master your environment. You want to stop procrastinating? Stop relying on willpower. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. What you need instead is a system. Start by controlling your environment. If your phone distracts you, put it in another room. If your workspace is cluttered, clear it up. If your home feels chaotic, carve out a quiet corner just for focus. Your environment should pull you toward progress, not away from it. And don't forget the power of triggers. Want to go for a run in the morning? Lay out your clothes the night before. Want to read more? Leave a book next to your bed, not your phone. Small changes lead to massive shifts. Step 4. Build momentum. Ever notice how hard it is to get started? But once you're in motion, things get easier? That's momentum. It's the most powerful force in productivity. So don't wait until you feel like it. Start, move, act, even if it's messy, even if it's uncomfortable, because momentum makes hard things easier. And consistency creates confidence. Set a daily routine, not a perfect one, a simple one. Time block your day. Set a clear start and end to your work. Give yourself breaks, but stay accountable. And track your wins, even the small ones, because every small victory chips away at procrastination. Step 5. Be kind to yourself. Here's the part no one talks about. Shame fuels procrastination. When you beat yourself up for not doing enough, you make it even harder to start again. You are not a failure because you struggled yesterday. You are not broken because you've been stuck for a while. You're human. And humans mess up. But humans also rise. So when you fall off track, forgive yourself and begin again. That's how real change happens. Procrastination doesn't define you, your actions do. And the most powerful action you can take is to begin now. Not next week, not tomorrow, now. Even if it's one tiny step, even if it's just opening the laptop, even if it's writing the first sentence, start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Because once you stop waiting for the perfect moment, you realize this is the moment, and you are more than capable. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs a little push. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be committed. One step at a time. You've got this. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because every day we're here to help you take action and build the life you deserve. This is your time. Let's go.